Hey guys, we're out today. We have some business down in Tampa today. It's Monday. And we got our biggest fan back here. He's telling us where we're going. Hi, Colton. Mr. Big C.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
There you go. Hi, guys. And Ray's here too. She's driving. So we're out and about. We figured we'd show you a little bit of driving in Tampa.
We're not in Tampa. This is Lady Lake.
Oh, Lando Lakes.
Yeah,
So,
that one. I'm sorry, Lando Lakes.
So yeah, we're on our way to see us a little roadside attraction. Maybe you guys want to stick around and find out what we find. Join us. We're back on the road. As you hear Colton, he's happy we're out of the city, out of all the traffic. Little country highway out here. Just rolling along, having a good old time. He just listened to one of his favorite songs, so he's all pumped up. So, just a little bit of Florida highways, byways, and back road highways. And we have our very own rock band serenading us as we drive along. So, hang in there. This is just a little bit of the journey along the way. And let's... And there he is, the man of the hour, Mr.
Blanky.
Oh, all we can see is Blanky?
Yeah.
So, there we go. Whoop, railroad crossing. There we go. So hang in there, guys. We'll keep you up to date. Alright guys, so you know we're out driving around, seeing what we see on the way home.
Had to make a U-turn.
And we had to make a U-turn because we saw this sign that said drag strip with an arrow. It says Leadfoot City. So we're gonna pull in over here, see if we can see. Yeah, you hear him? Whoa! See if we can find Leadfoot City drag strip. Should be up here on our left.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun dun dun.
Yep, there it is.
Yeah, there it goes.
Okay, let me make a U up here. Oh, it says exit only.
That's enter.
Nope,
I think
that's
that's
somebody's
his house.
yard.
Wow. Okay.
Please hold.
Yeah. Please
Leadfoot's
hold.
here, left ahead on Old Acres Road.
Oh, okay. Like right here.
Maybe. Turn here, it says.
Oh, hey. What do you know? So here we go. Just some of the little neat things you run into as you're cruising through new parts of places you've never been.
I didn't know this was here. Hello.
I thought I was just hoping you were Keely's.
Oh, no, sir.
Sorry.
We didn't even know this was out here, and we were just coming to take a peek.
No, I gotta yell at her.
Oh.
I live right here, and I went behind my camper, and someone that comes here switched tires for my camper and my spare and left me with their blown out tire on a cheap steel rim
Oh, wow.
and took my good spare tire.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm like,
Well, we hope you find them.
I hope so.
I posted it on their page on TikTok and Facebook, letting them know, hey, why does someone have to do that?
That's
Yeah.
Why
weird.
do you have
Yeah.
to go on someone's property? You know, Walmart's down the road, they sell spares. So he just drives a Dodge, and I know he comes with different ones, so.
Gotcha.
I'm
No.
gonna
No.
Other than that, I love the events. It's great out here. It's just,
Oh,
why do
Cool.
people
We
like
didn't
it?
even know it was here.
Yeah. I just wish, they're not open as much as I thought they would. be.
yeah.
I thought they'd be open.
I've heard on them on the radio or something at Leadfoot, and I was like, We'll have to look that up sometime. And we were just happened to be driving by looking for something else. And was, hey, that says Leadfoot. So she's like, all right, and we turned around.
Yeah, it's a fun time, you know, drifting in the 8-mile track and stuff, but it gets busy. I was thinking it'd be like every weekend, but it's not every weekend.
Oh, cool.
What, maybe once a month or?
Like yesterday, they rented out to some club that was over there drifting.
Oh, okay.
So I'm thinking it was one of them yesterday, because last week I noticed my tire was good. Gone all day yesterday with my dad, and I'm looking at it again. Where did this blown out tire come from?
Oh, wow.
Good Lord.
Okay.
Yeah, it is a fun event.
Cool.
Well, thank you very much, and I hope you get to the bottom.
Well, that stinks.
Yeah.
That sounds about
We'll
right.
pray for him that he gets to the bottom of his things.
Just being nosy.
Yep. So that's somebody's house there. This is Leadfoot. So this is kind of cool. This is just.
There it is. Spectator parking.
Yeah.
But just being nosy. I could have sworn we saw this somewhere. Hi, good job. Oh, there's a chicken.
Chicken in the road. So cool. This is Leadfoot. No, it's looking up. I don't know why we're looking up.
I don't know.
That's wanting to go in.
Well, here it is.
All right. Why are you wanting to?
So push the joystick, double tap it. See, now you're in the, you gotta close the screen. You have to close that screen. You have to swipe away.
All right,
Now,
I'm learning,
hit the
folks.
joystick, double
So
tap
this
it.
says up and down.
Double tap the joystick.
Oh, there we go. Huh! I'm learning. So there's the scan if you want information about the single tap, maybe a little. There's the QR code for the place. That's pretty cool.
And that's how you exit.
And that's normally the exit. That's so cool. Little 8th mile local track.
Things you see when you're driving home.
And it's good to see that some of these little local tracks are still surviving like this because
they want to shut them all down.
without these places, the only other place to drive this kind of stuff would be out on the street.
Well, no, we got the one in Gainesville.
Oh yeah, but I'm just saying
Speedway.
for this area you'd have to go all the way out to Bradenton, which is probably an hour plus from here.
Yeah.
Gainesville's 2 hours from here. So it's like, you know, this is local. These guys can come out here and have a good old time.
And almost to the East Coast is 3 to 4.
Yeah, and 4 hours is Palm Beach is gone.
They removed Palm Beach. I thought it went IRA only.
Nope, they were talking about going IHRA, but they never bought it. And now they've got grass growing on the quarter-mile drag strip, which is a shame because that used to hold the IHRA Citrus Nationals every year. Jet cars and top fuel, top alcohol is what they always brought there. But
Going there. That's where I got my jet fuel.
Flash burner.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's right, folks. Well, there it is.
Let's see what else we can see on the way to go see the gorilla.
So stick with us. We're still in search of one particular place we want to go. And gorilla. There's your clue, the gorilla. So when we get there, you'll see what we're talking about.
Didn't say I can't go. We're in Brooksville.
Here we go, little town along the way, Brooksville, Florida.
All kinds of neat stuff here.
All kinds of neat stuff. We just went through all the, I guess, downtown area, you would say, or the new downtown. Hey, Punch Buggy Bus, huh? Those of you who knows what that game is. Oh, there you go, the bread truck. Gas station, been converted to something else.
Last time it was dark, and I thought this church one of these churches up here had a church tour. I know there's a there's a haunted something house tour here somewhere too. But I knew
some of these neat old houses.
Downtown Lizard, this little place over here.
Oh, Or two lanes.
Back there.
Oh, okay.
Patricia's.
There's Patricia's and a big fancy mural on the side of the building.
That's cool.
That's cool looking. Wedding dresses. Boutique. This whole building's Patricia's. Boutique.
This is an insurance.
Insurance
Granddaddy's
agency over here.
Records and Vintage. They're not open today.
Oh, nice. It's like, I bet this is City Hall over here. It's a pretty brick building.
Possible.
Either City Hall. It's because it's Main Street.
Right.
Maybe, guys. You think I'm too far off of this?
Ooh, pretty.
Hey, look at that beautiful
House.
building. Wow.
The old mermaid out front.
Mm-hmm. And this would be like the new building out back, probably.
Boondoggle Eats.
County Government Center. See, Hernando County Government Center. Enchiladas. Mexican restaurant. It's neat to see a little bit of old Florida still surviving. Some look like abandoned houses and mixed in with some.
Tourists and info.
Here we come, Colton. Railroad tracks.
Uh-oh. We have to go left or right. Which way?
It wants us to go straight.
Yeah, we can go straight off right here. That way. Local beef.
Florida Cracker Kitchen is to the right somewhere. There it is, local beef. That's no more.
I know, buddy.
Look at this. This is beautiful right here. This little drive with the overhanging canopy.
It took us off.
And I'm gonna say that's a church.
Yep.
We have a lot of those in Florida, by the way.